I get this question a lot. The shortest path to this goal is to take my beginning and advanced foreman training here on YouTube. Links are listed in the description below. But if this is your goal, here's what you need to understand. The company you work for exists to make a profit. Without profit, that company will cease to exist. So if you want to impress your company, you need to make them money. The more money you make them, the more successful you'll be. There are a couple ways you can accomplish that goal. First, you can yell and scream all day and tell everyone to hurry the hell up, and as long as you can stand over them and stomp your feet, you'll have success. But nobody is going to like you very much, including yourself. Or you can use a more scientific approach. You can understand your numbers and the tempo of your project. This will enable you to actually steer your project to a profitable conclusion. People will admire you for your ability to manage a project instead of forcing and jamming it through by whipping the backs of your crew. Every day when you go to work, you swim in a sea of mediocrity. Yes, there are good and capable men and women out there, but most only do what they have to do and then go home and forget about work. So it's easy to get ahead of the vast majority of them. If you want to be the best, you have to do more. You need to make an investment in yourself, literally. So there you are, standing at the crossroads right now. Pick your direction. Success takes effort. When the other guys are home drinking beer, you need to be learning something. This is where most guys and gals drop off. Most people want success, but they don't want it bad enough to earn it. Life always gets in their way, so you're going to need some discipline. You could take some college classes. That's easy enough. Just go sign up. The problem is they don't offer a degree for managing crews at the site level. Most people who take the college route step up to an office level position as a project manager and still don't know how to manage a crew in the field successfully. If that's your goal, then you know what you need to do. If not, and you actually want to succeed at managing crews in the field, then listen up. Let me ask you a question. The last time you completed a project for your company, did they tell you how you came out financially? Do you think they were honest about how well you did? That question always bothered me because there were many times when I felt like I really hit it out of the park, and what I heard was, "Man, you really got close on that one, but we just didn't quite make our margin." That can be heavy news if you really busted your butt to beat that budget, especially if there was a bonus tied to your success. This is why it is so important to know your own numbers. In fact, if you do not know and understand your own numbers, you're letting your entire team down, from the president of your company to the greenhorn on your crew. Knowing and understanding your numbers as your project unfolds enables you to make calculated decisions that will provide profitable results, on-time completion, and consistency in your success ratio. Your company desperately needs you to know and understand your numbers. Now here's the reality. Your company doesn't know you need to know and understand your numbers. Remember that guy or gal who went to college and took that position in the office as a project manager? Your company believes that they can manage your crew from the office, and they are wrong. I've been in this industry for 45 years. Over the last decade or so, I've seen companies strip foremen of their responsibilities and try to manage these numbers from the office. With the advent of computers and specialized software, companies have come to believe that they can manage their projects without your help. I'm a big fan of computers and software, but you and your crew are the ones in the field turning the screws, and you have huge control over their success or failure. Because of that, They need to include you in the management of their numbers. Otherwise, their project manager is just farting in the wind. If you want to reclaim your responsibilities, manage your numbers, and help your team and your company to succeed, then you have some learning to do. You need to understand the role of the estimator and project manager so you'll understand your own role. You need to start with my beginning foreman training. If you're already a foreman, you still need to take my beginning foreman training because I'm going to teach you how the numbers are created, why they are important, and how to use them to manage your project. You'll find the link in the description of this video. Get started right now, absolutely free as my contribution to the industry I love.